Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, this is the introductory video of my channel Iron Tech. So guys, are you tired of 9 to 5 job and looking for a way to earn money, some extra money on your own terms? Look no further than our channel. So the purpose of my channel is to provide you with the knowledge and resources to make money online. As you know, in today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn a living from the comfort of your own home, from freelance work to e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and many more. So I designed my channel to help you navigate this vast and ever-changing landscape, providing you with the tools and information you need to succeed. So as you know, one of the biggest advantage of earning money online is flexibility it provides. You can work from anywhere at any time and your own schedule. So another great thing about earning money online is the low startup cost. Unlike traditional businesses which require some heavy investments and things like inventory, equipments and rent, so there is no need of such high investment in online business. So the most important thing to do online business is the investment of time. The more time you practice, the more you will succeed. So now I will show you that by which way I can help you to make money online. So you can search my channel Iron Tech on YouTube, and after that you click the playlist button, and as you can see, I uploaded free Canva designing course. The more videos of this course is coming. After that I also uploaded Python mastery course, YouTube tips and tricks, and in future I will upload many other courses like voiceover course, content writing course, web development course, and e-commerce course, blogging course, and many more courses. So you can learn these skills free of cost. You just have to press the subscribe button and share this channel with your friends and family so they can also achieve their financial goals. So that's it for today. I hope you will learn these skills and achieve your financial goals. So I will meet you in the videos. Till then, keep learning and please subscribe the channel. Goodbye.